So today, class, we'll be talking about how you too can be a financial analyst. Now, if we take a look at this pie graph, you'll see that the people that have the most fun in the business make only 20% out of the people who just are boring all the time make most of the pie. Now, more time that you're having fun, make less money.
Feeling in a rut in your current field? Come check out the audio production program at the Art Institute of California and get in step with your dreams.